Number 1. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU, often called the brain of the computer, handles all the processing tasks. It executes instructions from programs by performing the basic operations of fetch, decode, and execute. Modern CPUs, like Intel's Core i9 or AMD's Ryzen 9, have multiple cores. Think of them as mini processors, allowing them to handle several tasks at once. Clock speed, measured in gigahertz, determines how fast it processes, while cache memory stores frequently used data for quick access. A good CPU is critical for gaming, video editing, or any heavy computation. Number 2. Motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone, connecting all components. It's a large circuit board with slots for the CPU, RAM, GPU, and storage, plus ports for peripherals like USB drives or monitors. Chipsets on the motherboard manage data flow between components, and the BIOS or UEFI firmware initializes hardware during startup. Think of it as the central hub that ensures everything talks to each other. Compatibility matters. Your CPU and RAM must match the motherboard's socket and chipset. Number 3. RAM, Random Access, Memory. RAM is your computer's short-term memory. It stores data the CPU needs right now, like open apps or browser tabs. More RAM, measured in gigabytes, means better multitasking. DDR4 and DDR5 are common types, with DDR5 being faster but pricier. RAM is volatile, so it wipes clean when you power off. For most users, 16 gigabytes is a sweet spot. Gamers or professionals might need 32 gigabytes or more. Number 4. GPU Graphics, Processing Unit. The GPU handles visuals. It renders images, videos, and animations, crucial for gaming, video editing, or 3D modeling. Integrated GPUs, built into the CPU, are fine for basic tasks like streaming or office work. Dedicated GPUs, like NVIDIA's RTX 4090 or AMD's Radeon RX 7900, are powerhouses for high-end gaming or creative software. They have their own VRAM to store visual data, and more VRAM means better performance at higher resolutions. Number 5. Storage, HDD and SSD. Storage holds your files, apps, and operating system. Hard disk drives, HDDs, use spinning disks, offering large capacities, like 4 terabytes, at lower costs but slower speeds. Solid-state drives, SSDs, use flash memory, making them much faster for booting up or loading games. NVMe SSDs, connected via PCIe, are the fastest, often hitting read-write speeds of 7,000 megabytes per second. Most PCs use a combo, an SSD for the OS and key apps, and an HDD for bulk storage. Number 6. Power Supply Unit, PSU. The PSU converts wall power into usable electricity for your components. Measured in watts, it needs enough capacity to handle your CPU, GPU, and other parts. An 80+ gold-rated PSU is efficient, wasting less energy as heat. Modular PSUs let you detach unused cables for cleaner builds. A 650-watt to 850-watt power supply unit suits most gaming rigs, but high-end systems might need 1,000 watts or more. Number 7. Cooling systems. Cooling keeps your components from overheating. Air cooling uses fans to circulate air, while liquid cooling uses water or coolant through tubes and radiators for better heat dissipation. CPUs and GPUs often have dedicated coolers. Case fans ensure airflow, and thermal paste improves heat transfer between the chip and cooler. Without good cooling, your system can throttle or even shut down under heavy loads. Number 8. Case and peripherals. The case houses everything, protecting components and aiding airflow. Full tower cases fit high-end builds, while mini ITX cases are compact but trickier to build in. Peripherals like keyboards, mice, and monitors connect via USB or HDMI. Some cases have RGB lighting or tempered glass for aesthetics, but prioritize airflow and cable management for performance. Number 9. Other components. Smaller but vital parts include the network card for Wi-Fi or Ethernet, sound cards for high-quality audio, and expansion cards for extra ports or features. Cables like SATA or PCIe power connect everything. Modern systems might also include RGB controllers or fan hubs for customization. Each component plays a role in making your PC run smoothly.